Oh.
See, I know the dance in the video.
Oh.
Sure, you do it though.
What do you want? Ready, set, and...
If Savoya does that to me, I go flying. They're weird! Gummy worms from Acme. Last one. Oh no, not last one. Here comes Deanna.
White girl. What? Kiss it.
Oh, yeah! Bam! Oh, okay, I wasn't ready for that one. That's it. Ready? I'm gonna get you off hard.
Deanna! Oh, baby! Such a camera whore.
I don't mean to be a camera whore, but it's just kind of right there.
She's a camera
Ew, I
whore.
don't want to be in the camera. Stop that!
Oh, shut up. You know you do. I want to get my last gummy worm, but I can't.
Actually, I don't. I keep thinking it's off.
They were like, oh, don't come over here trying to start shit. We didn't start any shit with them. We were minding our own fucking business while they're over there. See?
Hey guys, Laura being ghetto.
Come with me.
No.
You can I'm gonna go over here. You have a problem.
Okay, I'm gonna go through this way.
If you do, then fuck you. You have a problem. Do it. If I go over there, I'm gonna be like, first of all, we're not trying to fight you. You
Okay.
open your big
I have to throw this away anyway.
Deanna's not starting no shit with your ugly ass. Nobody wants to start shit with you. You're gonna lose anyway.
Oh God. Oh baby. I know JT is jealous that he can't see that.
Fuck you. Fuck you to hell.
I'm kidding.